everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making the two best dips in the entire world. These are my two signature go-to dishes. The only thing I will warn you about is that if you make these once, people are gonna ask you to make it again. So I'm making a buffalo chicken cheese dip, and I'm also making fresh diced mango salsa, and they are absolutely delicious. You will thank me later. So let's just get right to it. I'm going to start with the buffalo chicken dip, just because that has to go in the oven. I just want to add, this is real life right now. We're getting ready to leave in 45 minutes. You could totally make this ahead of time, but we're a little last minute today. Also, you will hear my kids in the background because mom life. So for this recipe, you are going to need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, softened, so I just let it sit out at room temperature for a little bit. 1 cup of ranch dressing, 3/4 cups of red hot sauce. So first you're just going to beat your cream cheese, hot sauce, and ranch dressing together. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can do a 10-ounce can of chicken, drained, or I just do a whole rotisserie chicken, which I had my husband go ahead and pick off the chicken for me, and some shredded cheese that you decide how much you want. We love cheese, so it's probably gonna be like an overdose of cheese in this. So now you're just gonna slowly fold in the shredded chicken, and like I said, this is 1 rotisserie chicken. Okay, so I have about 2 cups of mild cheddar. I'm just gonna put like a little less than half in, and I'm gonna save the rest for the top before we put it in the oven. And the oven is preheating to 350, and we're gonna bake it for 15 minutes. I'm just going to transfer all of this into this dish to bake it. Does it look good?
Yeah. It's good and spicy for mommy and dad.
It's good and spicy for mommy and daddy? What, Carter doesn't want to eat any?
It's too spicy for me.
Yeah, it probably is. So now I'm just topping with my cheddar cheese, and like I said, 350 for 15 minutes. Now for our mango salsa, I could just eat this entire bowl myself. So I may change the recipe depending on how this goes with all of the produce, but I am having, this is a really large batch. I have 4 mangoes, 1 red pepper, 1 jalapeno, red onion, 3 limes, cilantro, and 4 cloves of garlic. You're also gonna need some salt and some sugar. So for my mango salsa, there's not really like anything you need to start with. I just like starting with the mangoes first to see how much fruit I actually get from them. So this is usually where I'll go ahead and try a bite just to see what exactly I think it needs. Let me get a little bit of everything in here. Personally, based on taste preference, I think it needs one more lime and a little bit of sugar. So let's go ahead and do that. Like I said, this is fine to do like the night before, let it soak. I actually prefer doing that, but you know, I've been in early stages of labor, so last night was a rough one and I didn't do it the night before. I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for a little bit before we go. Also, obviously, if you have like one of those KitchenAid choppers or anything, that would make this go by much faster. I have chopped this before with, I've chopped it before with like a chopper, and there's just nothing like fresh hand diced mango salsa. Like it kind of like smushes the mangoes, and you know, you don't have the super, as you can see, I cut up my garlic and onion and jalapeno super tiny. So I just like doing it by hand. It's almost therapeutic. All right, so I got another lime in. Another thing I like to do is the last lime I'll save just to place it on top. I think it looks nice like that. So let's also add like a little bit of sugar. I'll go ahead and put this back down here. There's that. I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of sugar just because my mangoes aren't as sweet as I'd like them to be. This is seriously like the most beautiful dish ever. I just think this is my hands down favorite thing to make, to bring with me somewhere. All right, let me get another chip. That's like absolutely perfect. Not too spicy, not too garlicky, not too oniony. Definitely perfect. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Does it get prettier than that? These colors are just gorgeous. It smells amazing. Go ahead and place these on top. And then I'm gonna cover it and let it sit in the fridge for a little bit until we leave. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see more cooking videos or more recipes on my channel. And if you make this, please tag me. I would love to know how you like it, but I can't see how you wouldn't love it.
Better off as strangers. Believe me when I say loving me is